My people, let's no lie, Nigeria hard, but opportunity still full everywhere. Today, I'll show you the best business ideas you can start right now and begin making money fast, even with small capital. No long talk, let's dive in. Number 1, post and mobile money business. That's still one of the hottest hustles for street. With N50K and 120K, you fit start small for your area, especially places where bank network they fail. People go always need cash, transfer, and bills payment. Just choose better location and maintain good customer service. Number 2, data reselling business. Everybody day online. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Start selling cheap data, airtime, cable, electricity using a legit VTU platform. With small capital like N10K, N30K, you fit begin and earn daily commissions. This business sweet because and no get lost and you fit run from your phone. Number 3, mini importation from China or Turkey. Things like gadgets, fashion items, perfumes, and accessories they sell fast for Nigeria. With N30K and 50K, you fit buy small quantity and resell online for good profit. A sharp way to enter e-commerce without big capital. Number 4, food packaging and supply. Rice, beans, crayfish, gari, spices, palm oil. These things they sell every day. Package them well, brand them fine, sell to families, offices, and online. Food, no they go out of fashion. Nigerians must chop. Number 5, content creation. If you sabi talk, educate, or entertain, begin create videos with your phone. You fit earn from YouTube, Facebook Reels, TikTok, or sell your service to businesses. Number 6, phone and gadget repair. Gadgets they spoil every day. If you learn the skill, you fit make N5K, N20K per job. All these businesses they work right now for Nigeria, whether you day Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, or anywhere. Start small, stay consistent, grow steady. Which of them you go start? Tell me for the comment section and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart Naija Talk money tips.